She can't shake the feeling that something is haunting her. Lauren tries her best to ignore this feeling, but there have been countless instances of her dog Luna seeing things.
What's such a creepy picture of a dog, bro? Also, it's slightly stretched. What's it with the people living in the middle of nowhere? I suppose you would be more on edge when you hear noises. You know what I mean? What the fuck was that? When you hear noises. You know what I mean? I just heard someone's... Hello? Camera... What the fuck? I heard a noise. Did you guys hear that? You know what I mean? Eleanor insists it's not her, which is weird because... I swear to you, I heard someone say, like, come help or something like that. That was weird as fuck. Was it in the video?
Things that she can't. And many other strange occurrences, countless instances of her dog Luna seeing things that she can't, and many other strange occurrences that are thought to be paranormal in nature.
Hello?
Although most of these incidents are pretty creepy, it's the most recent video that was captured that is by far the most unsettling.
Someone said they heard it too. Like, a couple of people have commented on the fact that they heard it. Eleanor said she had her AirPods in, so I don't think anything played out loud either. Yeah, we heard it. What the fuck? Wait, did anyone clip that? Hold the fucking phone. That's weird as fuck. Hello? The camera blurred right as it happened as well. That was fucking weird. I suppose you would be more on edge when you hear noises. You know what I mean? Yeah, you can. When you hear noises. You know what I mean? Hear noises. You know what I mean? What the fuck? On edge when you hear noises. You know what I mean? It sounds like it says, I need your help, to me. I'm not just crazy. The whole chat heard it, right? We all heard this noise. The video was paused, right? Put these on. You would be more on edge when you hear noises. You know what I mean?
What the... Play it again, play it again, play it again. Oh my god.
When you hear noises. You know what I mean?
I don't like that at all.
No, I don't either.
That's not me.
No, I thought it was you at first. But then it's not. That's definitely...
I was sat in there though. What other room
you're
is
sat
that coming
like
from?
all the way over there though. You're sat all the way at the back. I'm gonna end up in one of these videos. Well, how meta is that? How fucking meta is that? Watching this guy's video on my clip show, I'm gonna send this to him. You know, you know what? I'm gonna say something because at the time I didn't say anything because I was like, no, I'm just being scared. I thought I felt the chair, like it didn't spin by itself, but it felt like it tried to, and my legs kind of stopped it from moving. It felt like the chair tried to move just a bit. And at the time, I was like, you've just been watching a lot of ghost stuff and you get overactive imagination. But now that's happened, I'm like, I don't know, it was probably nothing in my brain just being overactive. But now that's happened, I'm a little bit more like, I don't like the fact that I felt that.